So in this video I want to talk about one-sided and two-sided limits. Sometimes the values of the function f tend to have different limits as x approaches a number c from opposite sides. When this happens, we call the limit of f as x approaches c from the right-hand side, or right-hand limit of f at c, and the limit as x approaches c from the left-hand side, or left-hand limit of f at c. Here's the notation. So the right-hand side will be limit of fx when x approaches c plus. It means that x approaches from the right side of the c, from those values greater than c. The limit of f as x approaches c from the right. The other one is left hand, limit fx when x approaches c minus. What does that mean, x approaches c minus? It means that x is approaching from the left side of the c. It is approaching from the values who are smaller than c. It's going toward the c value. So the limit of f as x approaches c from the left.